Welcome to my class students, class 4 subject mathematics. So today we will be starting our third chapter, that is measurement. A system of measurement in which the basic units such as length, weight and capacity are meters. The basic units of length is meters, grams, liters respectively. That is called as metric system. The system in which all this length, weight, capacity, all this comes, that is called as metric systems. Now let us study in detail more how to convert the units of length and what are the units, what are the scales that we use for measurement. See here, we are comparing the height of these two animals. See here, giraffe is taller than hippo. Hippo is shorter than giraffe. This is height. We are comparing height. Next we have the measurement of weight. This cake is heavier than this cake. This cake is lighter than this cake. There are different units in which we can measure. That is measurements, height, length and width. What are the units? The centimeters and meters. Remember this. This should be written in your classwork, students. All the measurement and that units. Copy the same table as I have shown in the figure. Weight. The unit of weight is grams and kilograms. Time, seconds, minutes and hours. Long distance. Long distance can be measured in kilometers. The capacity can be measured in milliliters and liters. The temperature of the body can be measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit. The items that we take from our market, that are fruits, vegetables and all, this type of scale. Have you observed this type of scale in your market with your green grocers that we buy our vegetables and all? This type of scale is used for measuring weight. We also measure the weights of solids in grams and kilograms. You can see here. We also measure our weight, no? See here, the measuring scale. All these things are the measuring instruments. Here, the bigger objects are in kilograms. You can see here 50 kgs and all. And the smaller objects like this, they are in grams. You can see here the readings, you can see 0.10. That is 10 grams it is. 1000 grams, that is the smaller object. 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. This is very important, students. 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So the vegetables, fruits, nuts and all what we get it from our market are measured in grams and kilograms. These are the normal weights that we use for measurement. You can see this in this picture, this weighing scale. This is the weighing balance that we use in our daily life. You see this type of weighing scale in the market. This is used for measuring small things, fruits, vegetables and all. This one is an electronic weighing scale. This is used in malls and all. You see this type of scale in malls and all, no students? This is a spring balance, students. This is used to weigh the weight of heavy objects. For example, 50 kg rice bag. This one is a small kitchen scale. When we are usually baking cake and all, we use this type of scale. See here, you can find some bottles and liquids here. Liquids are also measured in liters and milliliters. See here, liters. This is smaller milliliters. So therefore, 1000 milliliters equal 1 liter. As you know already, the liquids take the shape of the container. See here, this is a purifier. This is a Tetra Pak, a cup, a bottle and a glass. If we take this bottle, it is 200 ml. So the liquid in it is 200 ml. It is the capacity of the container which determines how much liquid it can hold. See here. Now, measuring jars comes in different capacities. You can see, students, the bigger one, then the shorter one, then that, the shorter one, then that. This is the shortest one. These are for milliliters and these are for liters. Measuring length, height and width. See here, this fellow is measuring the length of the coat. In earlier days, people used to measure with the help of the body parts, that is, see here, hand and leg. But nowadays we are using the units that are available with us. So the shorter ones are measured in inches and the taller ones are measured in feet. All over the world, the metric scale is being expected for measurement. See here, the width, length and the height. 10 milliliters, that is 10 mm, equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. These are the units that you should be remembering before we start our exercises. Long distances are measured in kilometers. These are the instruments that are used for measuring length, width or height. So here the standard unit of measuring time is seconds. What is this, students? It's a watch. We use watch for measuring times. So the standard unit is seconds. Therefore 60 seconds equals 1 minute. Temperature tells how hot or cold an object is. See, this is an instrument used to measure the temperature of the body. That is nothing but thermometer. Temperature is measured in two scales, that is Celsius and Fahrenheit. Here you have in your page number 35 a small table, students, that is the length, which is the greater, which is smallest, which is the shorter one, and the conversions of it, that is length, weight and capacity. This table should be written in your classwork. Page number 36, choose the option that shows the approximate measure. As I have explained you everything about the measurement, you do this mean and fill in the blanks in your textbook itself. Jazakallah khair.